Tesla has issued a recall of nearly all of its US vehicles. That's about 2 million cars over concerns regarding its autopilot system. Specifically that the system does not do enough to make sure that users are not misusing the system and making sure that people are actually paying attention and using the system the way that Tesla says it's intended to be used. I'm sure you have seen videos that have gone viral on the internet of drivers literally asleep at the wheel behind a Tesla that's using autopilot. Now this recall comes after the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA for short, investigated for about a year found that there were over a dozen fatal crashes in which the driver was using this autopilot feature on Teslas. So there are very serious concerns, safety concerns regarding this, and NHTSA had been pressuring Tesla to do more, again, to prevent misuse of this autopilot system. Tesla, on the other hand, has refused at times to do more. That again, this recall has been the largest step that Tesla has taken to ensure the safety of its autopilot feature. But it's reported that Elon Musk had a phone call with the chairman of NHTSA and literally hung up the phone on NHTSA. So Tesla has said that basically blaming the driver for misusing the system, and they've said that their warnings are adequate and that again, it's the driver's fault for not using the system the way that they say it's intended to be used. And Tesla has won a couple lawsuits, successfully defended a few lawsuits regarding this system. However, at least one court, this court in Florida, has found that there is, quote, reasonable evidence that Tesla not only knew that its autopilot system was dangerously defective, but allowed the vehicle to be sold nonetheless. So that not only exposes Tesla to liability potentially, but also potentially punitive damages as well. So, very generally there are a few things that somebody who's injured or killed by a dangerously defective product needs to show. In this case, there are a few issues, right? So one is the design of the product, right? Is this product designed to be unsafe, essentially? Is it, allowing people to literally be asleep at the wheel without building in more safety features to prevent that, such as other manufacturers have done? Tesla has not gone as far as other manufacturers such as Ford and GM to basically force people to pay attention, and that's one of the allegations in this lawsuit in Florida that I mentioned. Another issue is the warnings, the adequacy of Tesla's warnings. Again, Tesla says we warn people to not take their hands off the wheel, right? But again, are those warnings adequate, or is it basically what they call click wrap, right? Where you just accept the terms and conditions. Just let me have my car, and whether the people who are misusing this product was foreseeable to Tesla, as this lawsuit apparently has evidence that Tesla did know about these issues. That's certainly evidence that it was foreseeable that someone would misuse the product, and that's not going to be a very good defense then for Tesla. Last, not least, the marketing of this product, right? Tesla markets this product as autopilot, right? Which consumer groups say is dangerously misleading. It is not actually intended to be autopilot. It's essentially like an enhanced cruise control. But again, Tesla allegedly has been misleading in its marketing in that regard. And if you can show, again, those things, you would also need to show that the injury or death was proximately caused by the dangerous defect, as in any product liability case. Of course, in this case, Tesla again would say that, well, the proximate cause was the driver not paying attention, and that's something that a jury would have to decide, right? Did Tesla's defective product cause this injury, right? Or was there a different cause of the injury? So that's that's kind of what's happening right now with this Tesla recall. We'll certainly keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching.